MANUSsim Optimize is an NC program optimization tool that can reduce your machining times by 10% to 50%. But how? Let's check the types of error cuts. Touch moves inside operations. The tool touches a material but doesn't cut. No contact moves. CAM software generates tool paths that miss the material, leading to error cuts. Unnecessary home returns and distant retracts. The tool moves back to the home position or retracts unnecessarily between operations. Here's what can MANUSsim Optimize do for you. Error cut feed rate optimization. This module accelerates feed rates during no contact and touch moves, automatically detecting non-cutting moves and adjusting them with a single click. Error cut minimization. It eliminates unnecessary long retracts and home returns, replacing them with optimized positioning moves just above the surface. Cutting feed rate optimization. It adjusts feed rates based on real-time chip geometry, not just volume. It optimizes feed rates to match changing chip loads and cutting conditions. Thank you for watching. Contact us for more information.